Hello everyone. Okay, welcome once again to the Easy Earners Club, where you get to earn learn how to earn sweatlessly. So sorry I've been away for some time, but I just have to do this video because of a lot of people that are finding it difficult to change their exchange. I'm quite busy right now, but then let me just drop this video. The time is sacrificial, but let me do it anyway. So if you have been trying to change your dogs and you are clicking on it, if you are trying to change your exchange, you can see right here I chose bybit. If you are trying to change your exchange and you click on it, it's not going. If you are tapping and it's not going, what you need to do, this video will show you how to do it, and then definitely also show you the best exchange to use, and I'll show you why. If you are in the community, that's why you need to join the community, our community. Join our WhatsApp group or Telegram group, where you get to all this information. Even though I'm not posting videos, the people in my WhatsApp group and Telegram group are getting up-to-date information and all that. Okay, so that's why look at the description section of this video and then click on the WhatsApp link to join or the Telegram link to join. All right, so let's quickly go back to the business of the day. So I've stepped out of the dogs Telegram bots, and then what you need to do is to go to the community, the dogs community, and then look for this particular post, this Binance particular post there. Okay, and then what you want to do is to come here and click on this deposit to Binance there. So as you click on it, you click on the start, and then it will open up and it take you directly to where you can deposit your deposit address and memo. But then you've already attached your wallet address and memo from another exchange. So what you want to do is you click on this back button at the top there. Click on the back button at the top there. Okay, so we can click back again, and then although all the places we've passed is still going to take us back there, so but we just want to make things official. Go back. Oh, sorry, I think I've spoiled it, but let me just quickly do it again. Okay, so I'm right here again. So definitely what we want to choose is click on it's on Binance already, so we click on it. All right, so we click on it, and then say you have Binance. Yes, I have Binance. And then so officially we can now put in the deposit address and then the memo. So what you want to do is go to your exchange, the Binance exchange. Okay, I've opened it initially, but I will pretend as if go back to the main page again. So click on wallet at this bottom right corner here. You click on it. Okay, assuming you are on home, so you click on your wallet to take you back to the place. Then you click on deposit. Then look at this search field at the top here. So you put in dogs. It will bring it up. So you click on the dogs. So it's going to tell you to choose the network. Obviously dogs is on the Ton network, so you tap on it. So it's going to generate the wallet address and everything. So this instruction you are seeing here is just telling you that the memo is important. Without it, if you try to deposit your dogs, you are going to lose it. So it is important, you have to include it. So first thing first, we click on this this icon here to copy our wallet address. So go back to dogs, and then we deposit it. We paste it. I beg your pardon. We paste it. Then the next thing we want to do is to go back again, and then click on this icon so that we can copy this memo. Okay, some call it memo, some call it tag, some call it comment, as the case may be. So you come here and you paste it right in. Then you click on the send button. Okay, send button, you move, and then So these are some of the things you need to do. Binance UI is the it's just, it wants you to confirm all this information, and then you must have passed your KYC. You must have done your KYC. Okay, you must have done your KYC and you must have passed it. So it's telling us to choose another exchange. I don't know. Okay, let's just choose another exchange then. Let's just choose another exchange. Choose another exchange. Okay, it's still the same thing though. It's still the same thing. But anyway, since I was using another exchange before, so I'm clicking on choose another exchange again. Okay, so leave it on Binance, click on send. Yes, I have Binance, and then we deposit this and this just like we done before. So I'm just going to go to Binance and then put in all these details, and then we move on from there. So I've gotten all the details back. So the reason I clicked on choose another exchange was because, initially we were unable to see that option before. So now that we saw the option, that we've seen the option, so it's better we just click choose another exchange, so that it will register in the system that, okay, we're actually choosing another exchange. Okay, so that we won't just input Binance with, Bybit or bitget or whatever exchange you've used before. So I'm just making it official by choosing another exchange and repeating the entire process. So I click on send. Click on send, and then this time around we can just go ahead and click on confirm. So I click on confirm. Deposit in progress, woof. So click on it, and then you see it has been changed to Binance. It has been changed to Binance. So this is what I want. And why are we choosing Binance? Okay, so let's quickly go to the Easy Earners Club group, and I will show you the detailed explanation of what we have done, the updates I've given. So this is the updates on the best exchange to use for claiming your dog. So from this, we're able to see that Bybit is the worst exchange to actually choose because of the criteria. I'm not saying Bybit is a bad exchange, please don't get me wrong. I'm just saying that in terms of if you're interested in getting more dogs bonus, okay, I don't personally recommend Bybit, and you will see why. And I personally recommend bitget. I beg your pardon, Binance. I recommend Binance, and I'm going to show you why in a minute. So this is Gate.io. This is what Gate.io is offering. New users are to register during the dogs claiming period. So you have to register to get 100%, or that is double, or cashback. So whatever you are depositing, whatever you are able to mine on your dogs and you are depositing into your Gate.io, you are going to get double of it. But if you are a new user, you are going to get maximum of 12,000 dogs if you are a new user, and if you are a old user, you get 5,000 dogs, and you must have done your KYC. And in addition to that, you will need to do a trade worth of 200 USDT. You need to have done a trade dogs to the volume of 200 USDT on spots, and also 1,000 USDT on futures, perpetual futures. That's for that. Bitget, you will get 10% of your deposits, whatever you are able to mine, you get 10% of it in turn, okay, and up to a maximum of $30 worth of ton. In other words, whatever you are able to mine, you get 10% of it, okay, in terms of ton. But if the 10% is more than $30 worth of ton, they are not going to give you. Let's say you are able to get how will I put it now, 2 million dogs, and 10% of 2 million dogs is about 200,000, and the value of that 200,000 is more than the $30. They are not going to give you the value of that 200,000. You are going to get a maximum total of $30. dollars worth of tons. So that's what this statement is saying. So this one is, all this write-up is just a summary of everything. You can go to the dogs community and do the research and read through all this. So I had to read through all this and then make everything easy for you guys to get the summary of what the most important things you need to know. For Binance, this is why I love Binance. Okay, for Binance is saying that for the first 5,000 people that connect their that is making use of Binance to claim their dogs, you will be getting 20,000 worth of dogs. Okay, you'll be getting 20,000 worth of dogs. That's what Binance is saying. And then for those that do not meet up to, that are not part of the first 500,000 people, okay, the remaining people will be getting what 10,000 dogs. Okay, you'll be getting 10,000 dogs. Sorry, I beg your pardon. You'll be getting 20,000 for the first first 500,000 people will be getting 20,000 dogs. I beg your pardon. You'll be getting 20,000 dogs, not 20,000 worth of dogs. I made a mistake there. So you'll be getting 20,000 dogs, and then the remaining people, that is after the first 500,000 people, the remaining people will be getting what 10,000 dogs. Okay. In summary, what this means is that whether you are among the first set of people or you are even the last person, you will definitely get additional dogs. Okay, just because you are using what Binance. That's what this statement is saying. However, this statement was what mentioned by dogs on their official Telegram channel. I did not see it on the Binance website in their token news list section. So if you've seen it on their website, please, you can mention it in the comment section below, so that let us know. Okay, we are all here to learn. So whatever that means, I don't know. So, but this is what they are saying. So if you are using Binance, please be aware of this. Be aware of this section, please. So this information was just gotten from Dog's official Telegram channel. Okay. So for OKX, this update is not for, please, this place is important because OKX do not support Nigeria anymore. So it's just for the international members of our community. So take notes. Excuse me. And then you will get additional, if for those that are using OKX, you will get 10 USDT, but you must join the wait list now. You have to join the wait. You have to go to their website and join the wait list. Okay, search for it. I won't include it in the video then, but obviously, and then you need to deposit dogs. Okay, the only way you can get dogs is after the airdrop. Definitely that will be on the 26th of August. And then you need to trade pairs that has USDT, e.g. dogs USDT, BTC USDT, Ethereum USDT, and so on and so forth. But then you can trade any amount. If it's just $1, if it's $10, if it's $100, if $1 million, whatever. So that's that about that. And then Bybit. So Bybit is saying that everybody needs to first of all register either on their website or on the app. You need to register for this particular event if you want to get these dogs. Okay, if you don't register, you won't get. Even though you use Bybit, if you don't register, you will not get. Okay, you have to actually register for this event first of all. Then new users will get. For new users, you will need to deposit a minimum of 10 million dogs. Okay, it's on the high side. You see why I said Binance is better. You need to deposit 10 million dogs. Okay, or you trade, or you deposit 100 USDT, and also trade 100 USDT of dogs. Okay, so it's either you deposit 10 million dogs or you trade what, or you deposit 100 USDT and also trade 100 USDT worth of dogs. Okay, on the very first on that is that would be your first trade. If you're a new user on Bybit, your first trade has to be what you deposit 100 USDT, and your first trade has to be what 100 USDT worth of dogs. Okay, and that's where you will get 192,000. You get 192,000 500 500 dogs, 192,500 dogs. Then the next one is for old users. You need to have you need to trade a minimum of 500 USDT worth of dogs. Okay, 500 USDT worth of dogs, and then you will get up to 30 million. You will get up to 30 million what dogs. But note that it does not necessarily mean that if you trade 500 USDT worth of dogs, you would automatically get 30 million dogs. Okay, but there is actually a formula. Even though you fulfill this condition, there is a formula that you need to follow. So you can go to their website or apps. Go to their website. If you are using the app, okay, I will just say it with my mouth. If you are using the app, enter into the app, look for more. Okay, click on more. Okay, then you scroll down, and you look for token splash. Token, Token, token splash, to splash, as in to splash water. So token splash, click on it, and then scroll down and look for the one for old users. I think the one for old users has about 2,407,000, something like that. So that's what you look for. Okay, if you're an old user, then there is the one for new users. So scroll below, then you also see it. Everything that has to do with dogs there, just go through it and then register, and then if that is your preference. So guys, that is just it. All right, so remember to share this video, like this video, and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then most importantly, join our Telegram and WhatsApp group so that you get update information. I'm just creating time to create this information. I'm actually very, very busy this period. After this period, let's say from September ending or middle of September or September ending of, let's say top from October, I'll be active again on YouTube. All right, thank you very much. Bye.